Hey guys, today we will see a robotic vacuum, some smart gadgets for your home, and the new amazing smart face mask. Are you ready? But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and comment "I subscribed" to be in the next video. Number 1. The TGO ED Button-Free VR Controller. If you have ever pressed the wrong button on a controller and lost the game, then you must know the pain. If you frequently make this mistake, then we have a solution. This controller, developed by TGO, has sensors to detect pressure, gestures, fingers, and touch. It's ideal for gaming, arts, remote work, robotics control, etc. It provides adjustable sensor sensitivity and gives you the close-to-reality experience you always wanted. Just slide in your fingers and enter a new world. Number 2. Mojo Vision AR Contact Lens. This smart contact lens with a built-in display gives you timely information without interrupting your focus. If you have weak vision or if your work requires quick analysis of your surroundings, then these lenses are for you. Analyzing your needs, the lens will display information helping you make the right move. Whether it's finding a certain location or trying to spot a star in the sky, this lens will make your day. Number 3. Arcade 1UP Infinity Game Table. If you are a board game lover and tech-savvy, then this product is definitely for you. Featuring a high-resolution touchscreen, it eliminates the need for cards or any other pieces, making your gaming experience more convenient. It's available in 24 and 32-inch sizes. Connect with friends and family online, play games, create art, and save your game to always start from where you left. Number 4. TourBox 2020 Controller. This controller is like an advanced mouse. Get ready for a seamless experience while editing videos, making art, or working on any other technical project. Working becomes fun when you have a powerful control over each step. Whether it's zooming in or tilting an image, TourBox has a knob or button for every action. Try this product for $169 at 21% off now from the official site. Number 5. Samsung JetBot 90 AR Robotic Vacuum. If you are a busy guy who finds it hard to manage home chores, then this vacuum cleaner powered by Intel can do the trick. With AI technology, this product will clean your home, avoiding obstacles from furniture to cables, giving your home a new life. It will leave no spaces unattended, so you can skip on hiring a lazy cleaner. You can also connect anytime with this product through the SmartThings app to monitor it. Equipped with 3D sensors, object recognition, and LiDAR, it can estimate distances of up to 20 feet and move 360 degrees. With sensors, it can easily move across the house, identifying places and finding its way through objects for efficient cleaning. Quite an adventure-loving product, I must say. All this makes it a powerful cleaner you can rely on. This product hasn't launched yet, but will be available soon, so stay tuned. Number 6. Sony AirPeak Drone. The smallest drone with alpha camera carrying capabilities is now here. If you're a professional photographer, a tech-savvy, or an explorer who loves to travel, then this drone can make all your dreams come true. You can use any of the Sony mirrorless alpha cameras with this drone to get the best photos or videos in full frame. It has an elegant all-black body, having 4 rotors, 2 landing arms that lift with takeoff, and a sleek design. Powered by AI technology, the drone stays steady while taking the best shots for you. This drone has a great potential and promises brilliant results. This product has also not arrived in the market yet, but we can expect it anytime soon. Number 7. Glove Light Face Mask Storage. If you are tired of losing your face masks and have confronted embarrassing situations where you couldn't enter a place without a mask, then don't worry, this product has got you all covered up. Solving the current mask crisis, this product has shown up right on time. It is a mask storage device with UVC technology to disinfect. Carry it with you everywhere and stay put together with this cool product. For safety purposes, the disinfection process ends as soon as you open the product. It comes in 3 sophisticated colors, which are pearl, charcoal, and pistachio to keep you looking trendy and your mask clean at all times. Pre-order it now from Kickstarter at just $156.79. Number 8. Revel Tune Smart Audio Glasses. If you are always on the go and find it hard to attend calls while working or exercising, then these glasses are an ideal product for you. Attend calls or listen to your favorite songs aloud with high quality sound and a 3+ hour long battery. Just use a tab for playing, pausing calls and music, and a double tap for voice assistance. With customizable lenses, these glasses can be worn as shades or as regular vision glasses. Slides on the side when moved backward decrease volume and increase volume when moved forward. The open-ear sound feature blends external noise with your music to give you a natural experience without isolating you from your environment. If you already wear glasses, then getting your hands on this product will make your life a lot easier. Keep your hands free from gadgets and relax with these lightweight glasses. Order it now from Glasses USA for $138 only. Number 9. Anker Power Expand Elite Charging Dock. If you are a person who is always on the go and want faster charging for your devices, then this charging dock is what you need. Keep your devices charged and running and also transfer data with this device. It features 3 ports with each supporting data transfer of up to 40 GB. This product fully charges a MacBook 13.3-inch in less than 2 hours. It can also charge your iPhone 11 to 100% within 2 hours. The product is capable of fast charging due to its 18-watt power output. Moreover, it can transfer a 20 GB file in less than 6 seconds. Anker Power Expand Elite High Performance Charging Dock features micro SD and SD card slots for seamless transfers of any media files. Stay on top of your game with charging issues resolved and performance amplified. Get this product now for $249.99 from the official site. Number 10. Aromio Sense Aromatherapy. The sound of a disturbing and unpleasant alarm is what everyone hears in the morning. But what if I told you this routine can change? If you strive to be a morning person but don't have the support, then this product is right for you. Wake up with relaxing music, pleasant lights, and mystical aroma with Aromio Sense Aromatherapy. This device comes with 3 modes: relax, sleep, and focus. If you live in a chaotic environment, then aromatherapy product can help you work and focus more along with better sleep. You will feel happier and more relaxed. Research conducted in 2016 proved that aromatherapy helps in reducing pain. Thus, with this device ticking all the boxes, you should try it out. It comes with 3 different scents to choose from. Its Aromio app can help you choose the right music to play on your phone for free, while this device adds delight and aroma magic. It has 1,000+ light effects and works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, so you can control it with your voice. Pre-order it to get an amazingly low price of 99.5 cents. Number 11. Flick 2 Smart Home Buttons. Ever wanted to get things done by a simple tab? Now you can do that by the Flick 2 Smart Home Buttons, which can be connected to devices, making it easy for you to manage everyday tasks. Connect it to your phone, Apple HomeKit, or use it as a light switch. The choice is yours. There are 3 ways to use it: single push to use it as a light switch, double push for music, and hold for wake-up routine. It contains Bluetooth 5.0 to make it work better at long ranges, has 3-year long battery life, and connects to any device with Bluetooth LE. To blend it with your interior, you can use stickers and even stick them on your wall. You can also attach its metal clip to a keyring or your jacket, making it super easy to use and manage. Get it now at a discounted rate of $159.99 today. Number 12. Blinx by Move38 Smart Tabletop Game System. Do you love playing games but want something which isn't too challenging? Well, if that's the case, then Blinx might be just right for you. It's a system of tiles with each knowing one game and having the ability to interact with the rest of the tiles. Choose your game, connect the tiles, and get started. It's that easy. Use 9 Blink tiles for each game and add more to make it a little more tough and fun. It comes with 9 games to choose from. On top of that, you can add 6 new games, so if you have tried every game in the world, Blinx will add more to your bucket. Pre-order it from Kickstarter for just $99. Number 13. Z Mirror All-in-One Smart Mirror. This product is made for beauty gurus, fashionistas, and people who want to bring their talent online. It's a mirror with high-quality Harman Kardon speakers often found in luxury cars like BMWs and Range Rovers. If you like playing music during your makeup routines, then you are in luck. It also features a 7-inch LCD touchscreen on the 9-inch diameter tempered glass mirror, making it easy to use. You can control this device using your voice as well as through Amazon Alexa. Use Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to easily connect to devices. With a mood lamp and ring light, take stunning photos, and make incredible video content, growing your business with convenience. Order it now from Kickstarter for only $249. Number 14. Moorebot Scott AI-powered smart home robot. If you are a kind of person who considers safety as a priority, then you must check this product out. The Moorebot Scott AI-powered robot has no blind spots thanks to its many advanced sensors and AI algorithms. With its autonomous patrol mode, this AI-powered robot is ideal for home surveillance and pet companionship. With its FHD camera, night vision, and four-wheel drive Mecanum omnidirectional wheels, it's a camera that moves around the house and communicates what it sees. You'll love that you can control it via Alexa and Google. Moreover, you can custom program the Moorebot Scout autonomous home robot to do more for you. For example, it supports Sketch to teach kids about coding and is open source for developers. Connects to Wi-Fi with IoT mode, and data encryption provides high security. This robot's fully weather design ensures that it's suitable for outdoor discovery and inspection. It's the perfect partner to keep your home safe, your animals happy, and most importantly, it will keep you relaxed. 15. Razer Project Hazel N95 Smart Mask. With the world taken by the pandemic like a storm, there is a growing need for the perfect mask. This mask has an N95 respirator and a liquid-resistant material. A detachable ventilator helps cleaning 95% of the air, and UV light case performs disinfection. With all its safety features, it has an elegant design to keep you looking trendy, and its structure keeps your voice clear. What else can one desire from a face mask, right? This was all for today's video. Which product do you like the most? Let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep watching more such amazing videos.